Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and yep, that's right. I made a giant birria burrito from leftovers still from the Puntas Quemadas con Chile Colorado that I made over on Man Kitchen Recipes. I smoked up 4 pounds of chuck, so I made a mess of tacos the other night, and tonight I made a giant birria wet burrito. Let me just show you that bad boy right there. What do you think of that? Huh? Does that look good or what? I'm telling you, that is one monster burrito. Look how thick that is. All right, let me show you how I toss this thing together. Just a quick video, and then we'll do a taste test. All right, well, I had to save a little bit of that Puntas Quemadas red chili burnt ends from the birria tacos that I made, the queso tacos, the cheesy tacos, so that I can make a birria burrito. All right. So first thing you got to do is loosen up your tortilla. So I got this giant 14-inch flour tortilla. All right, it's all puffing up right there. Looks like we're doing good. Got some flavor there. All right, turn the flame off. Bring it over here. Okay, I'm using the Chihuahua shredded cheese. Put some of that down here on the bottom. Maybe a little more. All right, there's the leftover Puntas Quemadas con Chile Colorado beef that I have. The red chili burnt ends that I made over on my Man Kitchen Recipes. I mean, I had to save some, right, for a burrito. And this is going to be a wet burrito because it's going to be a birria burrito. Okay, I have onion and cilantro. We're going to throw that in there as well. Such great flavor. Onion and cilantro. I know, some people don't like cilantro, but I love it. And the combination with the lettuce, with the onion, so good. Okay, I'm going to top this off with some more cheese because it's birria. You got cheese inside your taco shell like that, all melty. Now we're going to see if we can get this baby wrapped up. Okay, fold in the sides. All right, continue wrapping. Okay, and that's how I like to wrap my burritos. Sometimes people make squares out of them. All right, so we're going to get this on a plate that barely fits. All right, and then I have leftover consommé, the birria consommé. And this is what obviously makes it the wet birria burrito. It's cold right now, so I was leaving it cold so that I could hopefully get it to stick somewhat on the top of this. Good enough. All right. Load that up. And then, of course, we got to top it with some more cheese. Right over the top. And you can throw this either in the oven. I'm gonna toss this in the microwave and have this done. This is a super quick way to use up some leftovers. Doesn't have to be birria meat, but if you have any, you got to make a burrito. So I'm going to pop that in the microwave for probably a minute and a half. Let's go 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, and just like that, I have my my giant birria burrito with the birria sauce, the birria meat inside with cheese, onion and cilantro. I ended up going for, I put 2 minutes and I went another minute because cheese wasn't quite melted. But let's cut into this bad boy and let's just see what we got going on in here. Plus, I need to take a taste test, right? All right. I don't know if I can get that up here or not. Let me see. Look at that. Looks pretty tasty to me. All right. Let me cut a piece of this off. We'll do a taste test. A quick and easy dinner using leftovers, and these leftovers just happen to be leftover from the birria queso tacos that I made last week or whenever I get this uploaded. Anyway, I cut myself a little piece there. Let's get a bite of it. I got all the cheese in there. I got to tell you, that red chili, those red chili burnt ends that I smoked, the flavor is through the roof. And in a burrito, smothered or wet, either way you want to refer to it as, fantastic. Man, this thing is just full of flavor. I'm going to go enjoy this burrito. In the meantime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, share it to your friends, tell them what they got to make, show them what they got to make. All right, there you go. Leftover birria burrito. Have a great day. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. That's what I like.